Hey guys, here's a really short video on adding imaginary numbers. So it's actually not as bad as you might think. Remember, I is the square root of -1. Well, it turns out that you don't even have to think about that fact when you are dealing with things like 3i and 5i. Instead of thinking of these as imaginary numbers, think of these as iguanas. 3 iguanas and 5 iguanas. Altogether, you have 8 iguanas. You don't have 8 square iguanas. No, you just have 8 iguanas. So 3i plus 5i is 8i. Now they might try to confuse you with some parentheses in here. But really, if there's a plus in between, those parentheses are not doing anything. You can get rid of them. And now you can just think of this as $7 and $6 is $13. 2 iguanas and 4 iguanas is 6 iguanas, and you're just combining like terms. So 7 and 6, these are the same types of things. Iguanas and iguanas combine to be 6 iguanas. So 13 plus 6 iguanas. Now you do have to watch out for something like this, and I do want you to practice one of these and pause the video and give it a try. Let's say you have 3 plus 2i minus 6 plus 4i. The mistake that people make on this is they do this: 3 plus 2i minus 6 plus 4i. Now it turns out that that minus right here, that minus applies not just to the 6, but to the 4i. It's because we're not just subtracting 6, we're subtracting away 6 plus 4i. We're subtracting both of those things. So instead of a plus here, we got to get rid of that plus and replace it with a minus. And once you remember that, you should be good to go. So 3 minus 6 is -3, 2i minus 4i is -2i. But I do want you to practice because these are kind of tricky. So let's do this one. 5 minus 3i minus 2 minus 6i. So pause the video, give it a try. Okay, so that's going to become 5 minus 3i. The negative hits both of those, minus 2 plus 6i. And now 5 and -2, those are like terms. -3i, positive 6i become 3i. So your answer is 3 plus 3i. Okay, that's it for this one.